Uh, I believe uh, if the organization is able to understand, you know, the differences in what generation X would expect, and what generation Y would expect, I think half of the problems get resolved. Uh, the typical traits, because I come in from an organization which is radio, and radio especially primarily is known for the younger or the fresher lot of people who are just fresh out of college, whom we obviously call the Gen Y. From my experience, what I've seen in 5 years that have been associated with my current organization is that you know these uh, uh, these people, Gen Y, they want everything very instantly. Be it recognition, they want instant recognition. They've done good work, they want instant recognition. They believe that they need to get well paid, because they are the ones who would like to live a luxurious lifestyle, irrespective of what they are paid. But then they want to live their life to the full. Also, I think Gen Y, they have more questions to ask. They are the ones who would be more keen on the short-term benefits that they get, as compared to maybe your Generation X, which who probably would like to see more long-term benefits. They are the ones who kind of would decide to stay for a long time in the organization. Largely, I believe, the organization is able to balance the needs of the both. You'll be able to kind of, bring in a consensus between both Generation X and Generation Y. Usually, a lot of organization, they try explaining Gen X about Gen Y, in order to make them aware that, because usually Gen Y is well paid, as compared to maybe what Gen X was, at the age what Gen Y is right now. I believe that it's equally important to educate Gen Y, about the different characteristics of Generation X. We need to make them understand that, there has to be there has to be a balance between the thought processes that run between these two generations. I believe that's how we'll be able to kind of manage both the generations.